What is happening, everybody? It is your boy Alan with another video. So let's get to it. I'm standing here in front of the ocean, and we camped last night here at the state park. And so let me turn you guys around and show you the ocean and show you how close and how far we are away from the army base, abandoned army base. Let me turn you guys around in 3, 2, 1. As you see, guys, I'm standing in front of the ocean. Santa Cruz is right over there. And we camped right there. And the abandoned army base is right over there. So you walk in the shoreline all the way there, and then cross the freeway, and then bam, right there. There's the army base. So we're not that far away from the army base from right here. As you all see, guys, I'm in front of the ocean. Wave after wave after wave after wave after wave. So, yeah, it's a pretty sight. You all see that, guys? It's a pretty sight. So, yeah, enjoy this music. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, be you, do you, live a little, peace out, and I'll catch you guys next time.